Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all, so when we designed the new porch, we did it like this where it's flush, so this 2x4 on top doesn't stick out past this one for a reason. People were asking why we did that, and we had a reason for that. So we wanted to be able to put planters here and be able to hang them flush. But one of the problems we found was that the planters specifically made for railing like this are very expensive. So I came up with these feeding troughs that you would put for like your goats or your chickens or whatever. They're very sturdy and they hang perfectly right here on the railing, and you can get 2 of them for $13 on Amazon, so much cheaper than the things that are actually labeled deck planters. So today what I'm gonna have Tommy do is drill holes in the bottom for drain holes, and then he's going to hang them using the holes that are already in there. So we'll have 4 on this side, basically like this, and then I can put herbs or flowers or whatever I want to in them, and it's very economical. So I'm going to take these to Tommy and have him drill the holes in it for me. I'm getting most of the label off, like this one's off, by soaking it in some water, and then it comes off. You take the first layer off, and then I'll let it soak some more so that can get all wet, and then I'm using my green scrub pads to get the rest of the paper label off. So gotta let these soak a little while. Alright, now that I got the label off, Tommy is going to mount them for me. I dropped one and broke it, so be sure you don't drop these. He's just using a screw with a washer. That means you don't want to screw it too hard either, or it might crack.
Yeah, mine's set on a 10.
A 10? Does that mean something?
Yeah, because you can take it to full power.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right. There you go.
So because of the holes that come in it, I re-drilled, put new holes in them so that I would have a better bite instead of blowing out the 2x4 that they're bolted to. So now they're dead centered in the center of this run right here instead of up here.
These holes, you can put the, what do you call them? The zip ties through to attach them to something like a fence. Yeah. And that's fine if somebody's going to use these to attach to something different, but yeah, the D-rings. But for our purpose, we had to drill new holes so it wasn't too close to the edge of the 2x4 here. But anyway, you're not going to see that because there's going to be plants and dirt in there. All right, so he's got these 3 up. The 4th one will go right here. You can see I correct it when I dropped it. So now we'll just put dirt in here, and when my plants are ready, I will put my little herbs in here, and I'll have my little herb garden here on the porch. So we're done with that project. Thank you guys for watching. I'll put a link down below to where you can get some of these little containers to use for your gardening. And I'm not an affiliate, so don't even go there. I'm just trying to be helpful and show y'all how I save money on some things like this. And if you want to use WD-40 or alcohol to get the rest of the sticker adhesive off, you can do that as well. I just wasn't concerned about that. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Broke that one. It fell and hit that thing and cracked. Note to self, don't drop them. Because that didn't turn out well.